I was like right here. I heard the car close, and I was like, wait. And then I looked, and there was a guy in the car. And then I stopped, and I was like, no, please don't do this. And then I walked around to try to get in the car, and he took off, and he kind of drugged me.
Okay, so you.
Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Now. Step out. Now.
Come in.
Yeah. Do not step yet. Hold up. Do not move. Put your hand right. Bravo 28. Can you serve me another unit? At me. Hey.
Huh?
Stay right where you're at. You understand? Do not move.
Come in.
Do not move.
Come in.
Do not move.
Okay.
Do not move. I'm going to tase you. I'm going to tase you. I'm going to tase you.
Come out.
I'm out with the suspect on the 215. Do not move. I'm going to tase you right now.
Let me come out.
No, I'm going to tase you. Stay right where you're at. Do not move. If you move, I tase.
Hold on.
Do not move.
Hold on, wait. I'm about to sit
And
down.
it looks like he's actually going to map a Cantalier and baseball.
Do not
alley.
move. If you move, I'm tasing you. Let me see your hands.
They
Put your
right here.
hands. I swear, if you move, I tase.
They're
You
right
understand?
here. I'm coming out.
I'll tell you when to step out. I will tell you when to step out. If you
coming
move,
out.
I tase you.
I'm coming out.
I will tell you when to step out. Do not start this car.
I'm not. I'm trying to move back right here.
Do not start this car. Do not start it. You hear the car? Do not fucking move. I'm gonna tase you right now.
I'm done. I'm done.
Do not move.
Damn.
Do not fucking move this car.
28, where you at?
Do not move this car.
Can you come out?
No.
Fucking. Can I come out, please?
No, you cannot come out.
Why not?
Because I said so. Turn off this car.
Intersection baseball alley and Cantalier.
Turn off this car.
Can I please go?
No, do not fucking move this car.
Why not?
Because I said.